my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, I got some good videos coming y'all way. But this video is gonna be me showing y'all what I got from e.l.f. I recently went online. I think I ordered this around last week, and I got it in the mail Saturday, which is this past weekend. And this is what I got. This is the box. Oh, I'm turning around. I like what the box says. It's effing amazing. That is cute. And put that right there. And this is how the box look. I mean, if you never ordered from e.l.f. before, I mean, this is my first time ordering off the actual website. And this is how the box looks. And as y'all know, e.l.f. Cosmetics, it stands for eyes, lips, and face. And they are a cruelty-free makeup company. And they have like all type of skincare products too. They have skincare, makeup brushes, makeup, like from the concealer to the foundation to eyeshadow, you know, basically a whole cosmetic line. And this is how the packaging look, y'all. I like cute packaging. This is how the packaging look on the inside. And I'm also gonna be telling y'all, you know, how much everything was. But first we're gonna start off with this. This is in the color Moody. It is the lip Lacquer. I think that's how you say it. And this is how it is, cruelty free and vegan. When you open it, let me see how the color looks. Okay, I like this color. It's like a nude color. And usually nudes don't look that good on me, but I like how this color looks on me. I really like it. So that is that. And it smells nice too. And I also got this gel and powder eyebrow kit, and it's in the color medium. And this is how it looks. And let me know in the comment section below, have you ever ordered excuse me, have you ever ordered anything from e.l.f. or do you want to try anything from e.l.f.? Let me know in the comment section below. And this is how it looks. And I know they got like a whole lot of new products out, but you know, this is my first time ordering off there. And plus, I never really just like order off the website. I just usually pick up some products from there here and there, like in the store. But I wanted to try to get like a full face of e.l.f. products, because I know I had posted a poll in my Instagram story. And I was like, which video do y'all want to see? Do y'all want to see me do a full face of Believe Beauty Cosmetics, which it's a makeup line that I got from Dollar General. I got the makeup brushes, the foundation, the concealer, eyeshadow, all of that. I will link that haul video in the description box too, so y'all can check that out. But y'all said that y'all wanted to see me do a full face of e.l.f. makeup, so that's gonna be the next video. So y'all gotta stay tuned to see everything that I got in this video. And this is the eyebrow kit right here, and it comes with this little brush. And I'm gonna tell y'all the prices too after I finish showing y'all everything. And then I also got this bite-sized eyeshadow palette, and it's in the color Berry Bad. I'm going to say this for my kids because they like popping their bubble wrap. I don't know if y'all ever grew up in the 90s or in that era right there, and then y'all know y'all used to get stuff and it used to come packaged in bubble wrap. And then he was like, oh, I want to pop the bubble wrap. I know with me and my cousin, when we were younger, we used to pop the bubble wrap all the time. So let me know if that's still a thing. Do your kids like to do it, or is it just my kids? Let me know in the comment section. And this is in the color Berry Bad, and this is a cute eyeshadow palette. I didn't know it was gonna be this small, but it's cute though. Like, this would be a really good palette to travel with. Let me open it up. Oh, let me peel this out so I can open it. Okay. Peel for a little pick-me-up. Oh, it's cute. Oh, this is okay. That's how you open it. That's cute. Oh, I really like this. I like the shimmer, and then I got the two mattes on the side. That's cute. Let's watch them. Oh, okay. That is cute. Oh my god, that is so cute. Look at this, y'all. Those colors are so pretty. And I got this. Oh, this is a new product. It is the Shape and Stay Wax Pencil. And this is the packaging that it comes in. We're gonna open this up. And this clear wax pencil helps shape and tame brows for a flawless look that stays put. Yes, I need this. I'm pretty sure everybody can use something to make their eyebrows, you know, come out looking real good. I'm so glad that y'all are here. Y'all get to open the mail with me. And I got some more stuff coming in the mail too. And this is how it looks. I actually got some wigs coming in, but you know, I'm gonna let y'all know about all that later. This is how it looks. Okay, and it just got the pimp, like you can move it up or down. And then I got this complete coverage concealer. I used to use this concealer like back in the day, but I think it was a little smaller than this. But yeah, I got this concealer because like I know how to use it and I know how it works, so that's why I got it. I mean, I know they got the new camo concealer out, but you know, I just wanted to stick with what I know until, you know, I run out and I can get something else. But this is the concealer palette right here. You can also contour. You can use this for concealer and contouring because it got the darker shades right here, and this is the little brush that it comes with. And it got a mirror right here you can use. And I got this setting spray. Makeup is clear. I really like this packaging, y'all. And you know this, it comes just like this, in a cute little black bottle. And then I really hope this foundation matches my skin tone. This is in the color Suede. It's medium tan with golden undertones. And it says peel to open. And peel this off. And I know this foundation been around for a long time too. I'll try out their new foundation one day, but you know what? Oh, okay, cause in a, I didn't know it come in a pump bottle. It says a flawless finish foundation. So let's see. I'm gonna do it on this one. It doesn't really have a smell to it. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but this is how it look. I might be able to work with that. No, we'll find out. Let me wipe this off my hand. And then I got this face primer. It's Suede face primer. And then I also got this it's a bite-sized face duo. It is so cute. Oh, I like the highlight. This is a blush and highlight. It's in the color Lychee. This is how it looks. Look at that highlight. Ooh, I'm excited. Y'all know I like me some good old highlight. Let's watch this and see how it looks. This the blush. I mean, I'm not really a blush girl, but this is the highlight. Oh, look at that. That's some pretty highlight. And then I got this right here. This lip palette was actually a free gift. Because like if you do an order, was it for like $25, I want to say? You choose a free gift and you get free shipping. It said this limited edition lip palette contains 6 Runway inspired must-have lip colors. And its creamy textures are packed with pigment and infused with grapeseed oil, shea butter, and coconut oil to help condition and nourish the lips. And they had different types of free gifts you can choose from, and this is the one that I chose. Let me see if I can open it up. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is nice. These are some really nice lip colors. And they look very creamy. And this is the brush. And then they gave me some free hand sanitizer. You know, we all need this right now. Oh, and let's get down to the price. I thought it would have came with a receipt, but I guess not. But I will link all the information in the description box below, because I know I only paid I paid $35 for everything that y'all see in this video. And I will link like the prices and the name of the products that I got, so just in case if y'all want to go over there and check it out. But this is not a sponsored video. I got this with my own coins, and I just wanted to show y'all what I got. And I can't wait to create a look for y'all in the next video. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.